I've got a tasty moist blueberry cake recipe for you. We'll need 5 eggs and 1 1/3 cups of sugar. Mix for a few minutes until white and fluffy. Next, add 400 milliliters buttermilk and 170 g melted cooled butter. You can use oil instead. Then add the sifted dry ingredients in batches. 4 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix gently with a spatula until combined. It doesn't need to be perfectly smooth. Pour the batter into a 25 by 35 centimeters baking tray lined with parchment. Spread it evenly, then top with blueberries and crumble topping. For the crumble, mix 100 g flour, 50 g butter and 50 g sugar. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Once cooled, frost or dust with sugar. Enjoy!